Knowles from Boise, Idaho, and this is Wildfire. I'll be flying it on an M1315. Should reach just a tad over 8,000 feet. This will be the 24th flight of Wildfire, and it's a single deployment because it's got a payload package on board with an HD video camera, a still digital camera, and a GPS transmitter that's sending coordinates back. It'll dump out at apogee the payload with all the cameras in it to come down on one parachute, and the rest of the rocket will come down on a main chute.
All right, well, good luck.
Thanks, Bob.
1.